So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the border style of a chart in a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I'm going to do here is just go to Chart, and how about I just select, what's a good example? I'll just add a circle chart just like this. Now, this actually might not be the best example because you actually can't add a spot around it. So I'll just go ahead here and I'll add this border right here. So here's my chart. I'm going to press on the chart here, scroll down to where it says border, just like this. I'm actually going to make the border a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, just like that. Now, if you want to change the style, so you want to make this instead of like a solid black line, you want to make it like a dotted line, press this option right here, go down to where it says dotted. You can go ahead and do that. You can get a separated line just like this, or you can go none if you don't want one whatsoever. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to edit the border style around a chart in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.